Okay, hi guys. So looking at what we had on on Wednesday, 3rd of January, I think that was the first time I was taking. No. Actually, we have these trades here. Yeah, I remember I traded on it's the 29th. This is the 1st of January, 2nd of January. Okay. So let's quickly run through these concepts here and what I was looking at. So we can see Asia is ranging here, coming into the new day. So because Asia has this range here, we can see it. There was a sweep of these previous highs. First, we had a sweep of this low and this low. However, London is not open, which is fine. So then this one traps buyers and gets the buyers in. So I think the buyers possibly went with the trade as it went up. So if you had an entry here, you possibly got in on buys. However, what we're looking at is we're looking at a London session reversal or change of structure, because then that would be our Judas swing. So here I'm not factoring in any higher time frame analysis of that sort. So I'm just going off the top of my head just to get some trades in. So we saw a change of market structure here. So this happened. That happened there, and then price rallied. So there was a rally base rally. I think that's a smart money concepts thing term. So it gets to this place. Now what we're anticipating as we are in New York is that price will do two things. So here, first of all, we've kind of formed a chart pattern, which is a double top. So seeing that, I know that this is a strong supply zone or a strong resistance area. So I'm anticipating that price will be reacting from here. Now, if we're using the same theory, this is our, what is the word? This is our, yes, guys. So that's our neckline. This is the half, right? This should be 2. Great. Now, since we already have that, then we know that price will do two things. If it reacts from this double top, we want to see a rejection. Once we get that rejection, we're looking at a CRB or CSB, right? So this is a support right here. And then we have our current resistance here. So then we're waiting for price to break here. If price breaks here, we just get in and we sell, right? So this is that trade, which, look at it. It went really well if we look at it. Now that's just using double tops and double bottoms. So this would be one of our entries. Now, as soon as it activated here as a double top, I see that pattern playing out there. What we've also seen is that there's a sweep of Asia highs. And then this point in time here, when we get that rejection, this instantly becomes London high, right? And we know what the strategy of the Judas swing is supposed to give us is London is supposed to give us a high of the day or a low of the day. Now, once it gives us this, we see that rejection. And what we're waiting for now is a distribution to the bottom. If we see any, to give us a valid market structure shift, that should leave us, should go all the way down with an imbalance. Now, we are seeing that two things happened. This is just looking at it in hindsight, so I wouldn't say I predicted it correctly. However, I think there's a break of support here. You can see this big rejection here, indecision, meaning that the buyers have become weak, really. They can't push price above these previous highs. So looking at this 1, 2, 3, that's kind of a consolidation. I think that's double confirmation that price might be moving lower. Then we get a distribution to the bottom. We break that current support with a red candle. And again, everything just lines up, and we put my stop loss at about 6.5. This is about 8. And then my TP was going all the way down. Now, this one is an ambitious, would you call it? Trade. Because my full TP is a 1:10. And you can see that price actually hit that zone, my TP, before this one. Now, how I've distributed my trades here, I've taken 3 trades. Each of them is 0.25% of my capital. So that gives me leeway to say from here to here, 1:3. I take my break even. 1 is to 6.5, I take my second trade profits, and then 1 is to 10, I take off another bunch of my profits.